Is this the most popular hairstyle in 2022? Well, based off of your comments in one of my most recent videos of me asking what your hair is, yes. I got so many comments from people saying that they are wearing their hair in a medium length hairstyle, going for the kind of old school Kurt Cobain type of hairstyle, Dave from Foo Fighters. I mean, there's so many references that were made, Keanu Reeves. People are all wearing their hair like this. I just cannot believe it. So, is your hair this hairstyle? And are you wearing a medium length hairstyle? Do you like this? But clearly it's become so popular that it seems more and more people are growing their hair out, you know, from something like, you know, really short like this to really long like this. You know, when it comes to this, you need a product like Tidal Wave to tame the hair, all right? I do not suggest using pastes. I do not suggest using any sort of crazy gels or anything that's like too sticky or tacky, because with this hair length, it's more about control and pliability. Tidal Wave, honestly, is the best for that, in my opinion, because it gives the hair a little bit of volume, it does some light taming, gives it a beachy texture, and you can still kind of work it through. The minute you start putting pastes and waxes and all sorts of weird stuff on longer hair, it becomes very, very difficult to style. And a lot of you claim to want, you know, a super firm hold, but be able to run your fingers through it, which makes no sense. It's literally a contradiction, okay? It's literally a contradiction. So the thing is that, you know, you really have to, one, have the right haircut, do a shaping. The best thing to do is get a shaping, get it cut maybe once every like month and a half, 2 months the most. Keep the hair shaped. You know, you want to have kind of longer, medium length layers, so it, depending on how you want the style to be, because if you don't layer it, it's literally just going to lay and be one length and maybe a bit heavy. The more kind of volume and texture and curl or wave or separation you want, then you need to have some sort of medium type of layers. And I have dozens upon dozens of videos describing that here on my channel. You can just search the Salon Guy medium length layers and you'll see. But the key is really about maintenance, taming it, styling it. You know, the less that you really try to use your hands and a blow dryer on your hair, if you're trying to get a more wavy medium length texture like this, the better. I always say, you know, lightly towel blot it after you get out of the shower. Use like 25 spray. You can maybe, you know, kind of lightly comb it through to get the knots out while it's still damp. Then once that's ready to go, then you spray, you know, 4 to 5, 6 spritzes of Tidal Wave throughout the hair, let it settle, scrunch it in place, let it air dry, set it and forget it, and you're good to go. And you'll be amazed on how easy that is, you know? But if you are somebody who is wearing a hairstyle like this, please let me know in the comments below. If you want to purchase any of my products, use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.